Titanic visions of American trucking legacy rise again in the form of the 2025 Ford CL9000, a modern resurrection of a nameplate that once ruled highways with commanding presence and fearless strength. The original CL9000, introduced in the late 1970s, was Ford's bold entry into the heavy-duty Class 8 segment, competing directly with giants like Freightliner, Kenworth, and Peterbilt. Its cabover layout was admired for maximizing trailer length under strict U.S. regulations of the era, while the squared body lines, strong steel framework, and towering stance made it instantly recognizable to truckers who demanded resilience and power. Through the 1980s, the CL9000 received consistent modifications, including revised aerodynamics, upgraded Cummins and Detroit diesel engine options, ranging from 270 to 450 horsepower, and refinements in suspension and braking systems that enhanced both durability and driver comfort. By the 1990s, changing regulations and shifting market demands gradually pushed cabovers out of favor in North America, leading to the CL9000's quiet departure. Yet its legacy never vanished, and decades later Ford has revived the legend, blending classic inspiration with cutting-edge innovation. The 2025 Ford CL9000 reintroduces the commanding cabover silhouette, but now sculpted with sleek aerodynamics, LED lighting, and advanced materials designed to reduce weight without sacrificing strength. Power comes from a new generation hybrid diesel-electric drivetrain, anchored by a 15-liter power unit, delivering up to 600 horsepower, paired with an electric assist system that boosts torque for heavy hauls, while reducing fuel consumption and emissions. A fully digital cockpit, semi-autonomous driving aids, and cloud-connected fleet technology mark a striking leap forward compared to its predecessors. In today's market, the 2025 CL9000 is priced competitively around $190,000 to $210,000 depending on configuration, positioning it alongside rivals like the Volvo VNL